vậy chú hay Tuipui à nimin anh lên cái đông tụa cái tiang reng hi anh lâu hay anh sẽ zo cái này chúng mua chan nimin pe cái chuan nó sắp buồn buồn nó tụi cái này vậy nào po han hay zin car ania tun hi cái gì chun ha kan tan che dar sari le achan ve linga sari linga ania India chuan hen tun ha han dar ni le chan ve le lo được lek he cái sana India sana ania mo cái thằng ấy là cái sana hi thì anh tại dar ni le chan ve dar khat le chan ve cái tin ha cham cái mà ni a chuan zin car lên de ta ni mo chọn Tuipui hết anga su phul bul hi miron te lau tu lang la ti me thina bang kharin wana chọn Tuipui hết anga thim rim hi karon ti lang don ni mo hei chu thina rim da hi a thim rim tlem ta ni chu mo a thim rim na se thei lo karon su aron phul bul la tu vera bula han mo chanin cái room về cái setup banga make up cái ti lo poka ka te swai anga chumi pha cha nên hi ka lo a te ka camera hi ka lo da to na video hi ka lo kamanga tu hi ka lo full don ya chan miss Cindy za ka ngai tha pha ka ti son ya na bul me ni may lahi ka to pakan play looks sana freedom remasin Yes. What is this song?
It's a gospel, like how God calls us in our way. How much we are struggling in our life, like our past life, you know?
Wow.
But God is always coming to us. Very he let our way go through. Before you come on board, what did you do? How much you have like fighting, you know? Yes. To reach here. And then you start. But even sometimes you will feel like give up, you know.
Yes.
But this God is always.
This one, I love this one.
Gago! For this one, I want to use. Yeah.
What is this one?
I want to use the drum beat. Can you for this one?
What is that? You done with this?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I remember now. It's always special. Every morning. You know Planet Shakers? You know Planet Shakers, Be? It's a Hillsong band.
I don't know what to.
The name of Jesus.
I think my partner will come with me.
Kanan. Ask kanan. Siya na apple. Like apple.
No, maybe she bring for herself. No, it's true. Oh my God.
Yeah. So it's to ask kanan. She bring two apple.
My partner. only the scrambled.
Oh my God.
Every day, it's other eating. Don't have anything done. Why they always serve same food? I'm thankful, but
I thought in the city, right? They need to give us like good food.
Ale, kamakal to doon na hey, kanakan to doon na.
diyan nilay kasi ng gagmang doon ni oh bye bye uli kada